Hello everybody, welcome to today's giveaway, and the giveaway is my sock yarn giveaway for all those of you who knit or crochet socks. And the yarn, even if you don't knit and crochet socks, you're more than welcome to enter. My giveaways are always worldwide, and today's date is the 10th. No, it's not. It's not. It's the 14th of February, Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine, everybody. So for this giveaway, we have a 3mm 9-inch circular needle by Knit Pro Symphony. These are my favourite circular needles. You get 10 light bulb stitch markers, and you get Silly Socks flower pop, and it's a one weight, a 75% wool, 25% polyamide, and you've got enough there to make a pair of socks. And the word that I want you to put is flower. I'll put it here. If you put flower for this sock yarn, you will be entered. The rules are you need to be 18 years and over, you must be subscribed to my channel, you must leave a comment obviously with the word flower in it, and this YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway. It's all paid for with my own money. And as always, the links in the description box below of all the other rules and regulations set out by YouTube. And what else? Oh, and there's a link there to show you how to make your channels public, so if you are one of the lucky winners, I will be able to see. Share with your friends, let them know about the giveaway if they're sock knitters. But again guys, even if you don't make socks, this is a nice yarn. You get, it's 100 grams, 400 meters, 437 yards. So yes guys, so that's all from me for today. Oh, before I go, this is a week-long giveaway, so it starts today, which is Valentine's Day, as I said, and it goes on until a week today, which is the 21st, and the winner will be announced on the 23rd. Everything will be in the description box below guys, so take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye bye for now.